If you have ever been around a broken or exposed septic tank or an open sewer, then you know how repulsive the odor is. Undoubtedly, this kind of odor emanating from your yard would keep all visitors away. So the question is, what could possibly be responsible for the bad odor emanating from sewers? The simple answer is that there are microorganisms in sewers, which break down waste to release some gases with repulsive odors. These gases are sometimes referred to as sewer gases. One of these gases is hydrogen sulfide gas, which is one of the compounds of sulfur. In this lesson, you will learn about the laboratory preparation of hydrogen sulfide. You will also learn some of its physical properties. Hydrogen sulfide gas has a chemical formula H2S. Apart from being among the components of sewer gas mixture, it can also be found in volcanic gases. Now let's consider how this gas can be prepared in the laboratory. A simple way of preparing hydrogen sulfide gas in the laboratory is through the reaction between dilute hydrochloric acid and iron 2 sulfide, as shown in the chemical equation here. Kip's apparatus setup, or the laboratory setup displayed here, can be used to carry out this reaction. The laboratory setup is made up of a flat bottom flask containing iron 2 sulfide, a retort stand, thistle funnel, delivery tube, a water trough with beehive, and a gas jar. To start the preparation, dilute hydrochloric acid is passed into the flat bottom flask through the thistle funnel. Once the hydrochloric acid is in contact with the iron 2 sulfide, the chemical reaction which results in the formation of hydrogen sulfide gas commences. As shown here, the hydrogen sulfide gas passes through the delivery tube into the water trough and is then collected over water by the downward displacement of water. Before we conclude this lesson, let's take a look at some of the physical properties of hydrogen sulfide. As mentioned earlier, hydrogen sulfide gas has a characteristic repulsive odor. The odor is similar to that of a rotten egg. Hydrogen sulfide gas is colorless and heavier than air. It has moderate solubility of about 4 grams per dm cubed. And lastly, hydrogen sulfide is a poisonous gas, so laboratory safety precautions should be followed when preparing or using it in the laboratory. To conclude this lesson, here's a summary of what we have learned so far. Hydrogen sulfide is one of the gases responsible for the bad smell emanating from sewers. A simple way of preparing hydrogen sulfide gas in the laboratory is through the reaction between dilute hydrochloric acid and iron 2 sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide gas is a colorless gas and has a repulsive odor which is similar to that of a rotten egg. It is also poisonous, moderately soluble in water, and heavier than air. Now you know why sewers smell so bad. I hope to see you in the next lesson.